And the type of visa being applied for is transit visa 48 hours. So just select transit visa 48 hours. That is very straightforward. In case you want transit visa for 96 hours, you can select that and the fees will be different. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the new video. So in this video, like you saw in the thumbnail, I'll be showing you how to apply Dubai transit visa. So first of all, let's understand what is a transit visa. So for example, if you want to spend a short time in Dubai, like around 48 hours or 96 hours, so the UAE government have given transit visas of which we Indians can apply. So let's take this example. You are going from Bangalore to Paris or Delhi to Paris, and you are going through Emirates airline and you are going via Dubai. So how you can plan your trip is, first stop is of course Dubai, and then from Dubai you go to Paris. So when you're going from Bangalore to Dubai, and then you have a layover in Dubai for about 48 hours or 96 hours depending upon how you choose. Let's say you want to attend someone's birthday, or you want to meet someone in Dubai for a very quick time, or you want to buy some electronics in Dubai and then you want to go to Paris. So if you book Emirates through Emirates airline, and if you give a layover about 48 hours as the layover when you're booking the flights to Paris, during this period of time you will be able to go outside of Dubai and roam in Dubai, and then board the flight after 48 or 96 hours, depends on which visa you choose, and then you can go to Paris. So I'll be explaining you in this video on how to apply that particular visa. So I'll be sharing the screen in a minute and I'll be showing you guys on how to apply this particular visa. So please remember, when you go to travel agency or travel companies or even visa agents, they will be charging a lot of money for this, and 48 hours visa which I'm just showing you is just 945 rupees is the official fees, plus along with that you will have some consulate fees like I'll show you, and this you can do it by yourself. You do not need any agent's help, any visa agent's help, guys. Please do not waste your money by going through all these visa agents and process. They're only there to loot the money, and not everyone is genuine. So if you see the fees, for example, if you see the fees, I just called up one of the visa agencies. I don't want to tell the name in this video. I just called them and I asked, I want to apply for Dubai transit visa. What is the process? So first of all, they're not even ready to share the process unless you pay them some amount. So if, let's say they told the process and you want to ask what is the fees, they are charging 3,000 to 3,500 rupees, where the fees, official fees itself is only 945 rupees. This is how they're making a lot of money. I do not suggest to go through this route, while you can apply on your own, save your own hard-earned money, guys. So without wasting any time, let's go to my screen. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So just go to Google and type Dubai visa VFS. So once you get the results, click on the first link, and once you click on the first link, it will take a minute or two to load. Usually VFS sites are a bit slow, so you will see many options like apply for a visa, book an appointment and find a center. So all you have to do is apply for a visa, start now. And the first thing we have to do is identify which visa type. In our case, it's going to be a transit visa. So we're going to select view more and select visa type. So in the visa type, you can see a lot of visas are applicable, like 48 hours, 96 hours, 30 days, multiple entry 30 days, 60 days and long term 60 days. But for our purpose, for transit visa, we are going to select 48 hours. And here it is going to show you different options like visa fees, supporting documents, application form, processing time and eligibility criteria. So I'll come to this one by one. So all I request from you is watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video, otherwise you'll lose a lot of information that I'm going to share. So if you click on visa fees, you can select whether you want a 48 hours visa fee or an express visa fee, which they provide in VFS for 2,795 rupees. But most of us would select obviously the 945 rupees 48-hour visa to Dubai. And supporting documents needed for this visa are visa application and duly filled form, which I'm going to share in a second, and confirmed onward ticket copy of Emirates airline. So when it comes to visas, I'm going to show you another alternative method of applying visas. It has to be another website I show, has to be from Etihad Airways, which goes to Abu Dhabi airport. But here you must have a copy of Emirates airline ticket. Please be Sure of that. And one colored passport size photograph and colored photocopy of the passport, which should be at least valid for time period of 6 months. Please remember this, guys. So if you're applying visa on June 1st, it will be exactly June 1st plus 6 months. The passport has to be valid. And mandatory document for other supporting documents, please go to eligibility criteria, which we're going to come now, and application form. So in this application form, I'm just going to select this application form, and in this application form you can see Dubai visa application form for Indians, and the type of visa being applied for is transit visa 48 hours. So just select transit visa 48 hours. That is very straightforward. In case you want transit visa for 96 hours, you can select that, and the fees will be different, or tourist visa for 60, 30 and multiple entry 60 days long-term visa. And you have to mention your Emirates PNR, that will be the return ticket PNR number and the ticket number and the travel date, and this is the full name of the applicant as given in the passport. And Skyward membership, if you have Skyward, you can put that as well. It will be an additional step of verification, guys. And current residential address, mandatory information. So this address is your current address. So most of the details, if your current address as per your passport, it will be very easy for you to fill this. But if your current address is not as per your passport, then you might have to attach a copy of Aadhaar card along with your current address. Please remember, once the passport might be shipped to this address, so ensure you write this and take this very seriously. Are you applying as a dependent of principal applicant? No. Answer would be no. If it is no, if it is yes, please write the proper name of who is submitting your application form. And if applying as a primary principal applicant, complete the following. So if you're applying as a principal applicant, you have to enter your business or employer if you work in a private company, or if you're working for an MNC, put the MNC company, or if you're working for if you're doing business, please enter the relevant TIN number and other details. So important unemployed retired person should indicate the above details of last employment, indicate date of cessation of last employment here. So that is again very straightforward. So you have to write your nationality, it will be Indian. Previous nationality you can write if you have full name, father name, mother name, and PAN card number is mandatory, and gender male or female. And this details in the section C, D and D, ensure that it is matching the passport, guys. Otherwise you will have to face unnecessary rejections or document requesting. So your marital status, again fill as per your passport, I would say, and married female applicants, husband's name if any, and occupation, religion, educational qualifications, main language spoken, whatever main language is spoken, if it is not English, Kannada, mostly Telugu or Hindi, and date of birth as per the passport again, place of birth as per the passport again, and passport details is again this has to be as per the passport. And the purpose of visit, in most cases it will be tourism, but if not, you can select other things. And if you are going for any job or any related purpose for an interview or something, you can just select visit visa, and name the family members accompanying you. If you have your parents with you or your spouse with you, you can mention their details. I'm trying to go through this very quickly, guys, because there's a lot of things to cover and I don't want to make this video too lengthy. And contact in UAE. Now this is a very important section I wanted to explain. So in case you have your friend or colleague, or if you know someone who is there in UAE with you, like Dubai, you have to fill their details, and please do not give fake details. Only if you have someone who is close to you, or if you're relation, or if you're related to someone, then only fill these details. And then you have to come for mandatory documents to be submitted with the visa application form. So you have to submit your current passport, colored photography, first and the last pages of the above passport, yes, your passport, photocopy of Emirates airline ticket, that's straightforward, photo should be colored, and they have given this proper specification, guys. So 4.3 centimeters into 5.5 centimeters, and photocopy of flight coupon. Starting PNR should not be altered. So don't try to edit your PNR in PF editor and then submit it. Nothing will happen. You are submitting to the official consulate, so it will be completely safe. And demand draft standard chartered is payable locally. Cooperative banks are not accepted. If it is in this case, you will have to do this. And as required to confirm proof of eligibility, previous passport exhibiting previous travel. So if you have a previous passport, you'll have to maybe submit that banker certificate along with long-term deposits, income tax returns for the last 2 years and photocopy of PAN card, letter of invitation Dubai based on a family member, or if you do not have, just select no. Have you applied for Dubai through VFS in the past? Yes or no? Again, straightforward. If you have, then kindly provide the date of your last travel visit. So again, there's a lot of terms and conditions. Please do study this, and you'll have to provide your consent, and you'll have to leave some of the sections for the office in VFS to fill. And once you're done with application form, please carry the physical copy of the application form, guys. Again, it's not going to be any soft copy. The processing time they have told us it will be done in 3 to 4 working days, and normal visa submitted between 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Express visa would be, you're asking about express visa, it would be 36 hours from the time of submission. That is almost like 1.5 days. And express visa time submission is 9:30 to 12 only, whereas this is 9:30 to 5:30. And the eligibility criteria, again, this is very lengthy. Just please have a look at this. I'm not going to cover this because the video is going to be more and more lengthy. Again, so now book an appointment. So for booking an appointment, like if you have to find a center, on which VFS center you have to book, I have made a dedicated video here, guys. I'll try to attach it here. Please go through this. This is common for any country. So if you want to know how to book, take or take a VFS appointment, you'll have to go here. So I am from Bangalore, so I would just select Bangalore and I would continue the process given in the video. So please follow that, and you can easily apply or submit your application through this procedure. Again, tracking your application. So if you already have an application number that you have submitted and provided all your documents, you need to enter that reference number there along with the passport expiry date and submit. You will be able to track your application again, which is very straightforward. And this last one is not really related to you. So you can just again select book an appointment. And this is if you can contact through from email as well, so they'll respond. They're very responsive in terms of email or in terms of contact number. So this is a very straightforward process, guys, on how to apply through VFS Global. So hope this information was very helpful, guys. Please try to subscribe for more videos like this, or hit on the like button. Please do not forget, and also click on the bell notification so you get notified as soon as any new video comes. So I hope this information was very helpful. If you have any questions, again, reach out to me on Instagram for immediate response. Follow me and then reach out to me because I'm not getting notified, or comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you guys as soon as possible. I hope this video was very informative, guys. I'll catch you guys in my next video.